JCID Drawing Current Analyzer iBooter. It is compatible with various new and old power supplies. It is the best partner for old pointer amateurs. It comes with a 124 boot cable. No need to short the motherboard. Connect the tail plug cable. And connect the current analyzer. Press one button to start. The current analyzer displays the boot current in real time. Output power, input voltage, load voltage. It has an internal gyroscope. It can switch between landscape and portrait. Long press to switch, combining pointer mode with digital display. It can observe the boot current more intuitively. It supports the function of analyzing the startup current and compare with the current data in the drawing. Quickly locate faults.